I took a big rock to the windshield, and I'm too cheap to put a new windshield in. So repair it is. First, take out the little shards of glass. Then I installed the resin applicator. Remember, I live in the desert, so at this point my camera overheated and I couldn't record anymore. I was hoping for better. I'll have to give it a second treatment, but let's remember what it looked like before. This is quite a bit better than this. Jumper and I invite you to subscribe to our travel and camping channel. Thanks for watching.